you want to accomplish by practicing meditation? Do you want to be a better version of yourself or the best version of yourself? There's no wrong answer here. No matter what you choose, you will be better off than where you are right now. The better version of yourself can be achieved with awareness activities or exercises that I've explained in the previous videos, and all of them are linked in the description area and you can find them there. You can stay at this level for as long as you like or until you are prepared physically and mentally, or you're ready to commit time and energy for sit down meditation sessions. However, if you'd like to go to the next level of our meditation journey to become the best version of yourself, keep watching this video through the end, in which I will explain what you can accomplish by meditating for higher spirituality. If you look at the practice of meditation from the Western point of view, you will dissect meditation piece by piece to know how it works. You will gain smaller and isolated benefits from the practice until you reach at the point to see the whole practice as a whole, how it benefited your whole entire life. But if you look at it from the Eastern point of view, it seems as a giant task that is unapproachable by ordinary people like you and me. It is as if it is an activity for the chosen ones to become enlightened and to have supernatural abilities. I started practicing meditation with a Western point of view, but with the understanding of the Eastern philosophy about meditation. I was always drawn to go for higher spirituality. I always thought that there was something out there or up there that I needed to be connected to and I needed to know more. I was just more curious. What I got as a result was not something that was up there or out there, but it was something that was within myself. As deeper I went within myself, I realized that I am the universe and the universe is me. As Rumi said centuries ago, that you are not a drop in the ocean, but you are an ocean in a drop. So I was able to see myself as that drop that is connected to every single thing that is in this universe and has the power of an ocean. Among many other good things that happened as a result of meditation, two major changes or two major things happened in my life that has literally changed my life. The first thing is that all of my negative emotions like fear or anxiety or stress, none of those have the power that once it used to have. And the second thing that happened is that I have become much more accepting and much more forgiving of my own person. I am very happy and satisfied where I am on my meditation journey, but I constantly ask myself, where would I go or what will I achieve if I continue practicing? I can easily understand why some monks and mystics choose to leave their families, belongings, and society to live in a total bliss without anything that you and I need to survive. It is an impressive journey, and I'm very curious about it, but it is not for everyone, and it's not for me. But I also understand that there are many monks and mystics among us who are living their quiet, normal life. So there is a sweet spot between the chaos of the unaware life and the calm of the total enlightened life that can be achieved with a little bit of effort, time, and commitment. We want to be the best versions of ourselves and to function from a higher level of consciousness or from a deeper core values from within. This work will result into three things that will change your life forever. It will change your personality, it will change your habits, it will change the way you look at life differently forever. The first thing is that you will prioritize your own well being while making healthy connections with others. The second thing is that you will build, create, or clarify your personal values, the rules that you can live by. And the third thing is that you will provide a meaningful service that fulfills your purpose in life. If you notice, I did not talk about being calm or peaceful or reducing your stress or pain or anxiety, because all of that will happen as a result of achieving higher spirituality. you will find that nothing have the power to disturb your state of being. Sounds interesting, right? I'd like to start the level 2 of our meditation sessions with short, focused, and guided meditation. And the purpose of these meditation sessions is to find solutions for our everyday challenges until we're ready to sit down for a deeper and longer meditation sessions, which will put us on the right path to self discovery and higher spirituality. But because you will invest time, energy, and space, and it will become a lifestyle practice for you, it is important to deal with some personal or social skepticism that is there about meditation in general. Watch this next video, which is on that topic, and I will see you there.